Today we are replacing the siding on a house we recently purchased in southeast Wichita near McConnell Air Force Base. I'm excited to show you the process. So every project's a little bit different for us. One of the biggest projects we have to tackle is the siding. So we've already started doing a little bit of the siding work, and we've also replaced a lot of windows already around this house, a lot of rotting out, which is pretty common. You get some siding going bad, then your windows start rotting, so you have to get a lot of that stuff done at the same time. This beautiful house needs some new siding panels added. Fortunately, not all of the panels are in bad shape, but many of them have corroded and softened over time from the elements. Part of the issue is due to water buildup where the nails are, which over time swells the board. Once we replace the old boards, we get new ones up. We will caulk the nails before painting to help prevent the issue in the future. First thing we are going to do is remove the bad boards from the bottom up to the stopping point, which is where the good boards are, which in this case is 11 boards high. You can see just how corroded these boards are. They are typically tapped in with long nails, but with a little wedging, you can likely start removing the boards pretty easily, as you can see here. While moving along, it is important to remove the nails that didn't come out with the board. Now we are removing the final board. Our goal is to remove this board and nails without damaging the one above, as we plan to keep that board since it's still in good shape. Our next step is to immediately apply a wrap to the wall. This wrap is required by code. It protects the house and decking from the elements as we work on placing the new siding. Some say it can work as an added barrier from the elements once the siding is up as well. We use a plastic cap nail to help seal down the wrap. And finally, we simply tuck the wrap underneath the board to help hold it in place as we cut and place the new siding. Since the wrap covers any sight of studs, we measure and draw a line from the wrap of the stud placement so that we can easily tap nails in them later when the new siding is placed on. Next is measuring the length for the side panels and cutting them. The first few panels can be a little more complicated, as those may require cutouts for windows, plugs, hoses, AC unit box, and other attachments. We will use the other boards on the wall to help you measure the height of the new board. Once we have all the right measurements, we can start moving along with installing the new siding panels on the wall. As we keep going, we make sure to continue to install the board straight and level. The last board is the trickiest, as we have to measure the angle of the roof and properly place it under the good boards left on the wall. So we're all finished with the siding repair on this house. We've removed the siding from the majority of this home. It was rotted out, looking pretty nasty. So we've taken you through that process. We've shown you how to remove it, replace those boards. We've got it all painted. The house is looking great now, and we're super happy with how it looks. Thanks for watching.